Alright, the next part's probably the most difficult. It's called a stick adapter, so I don't know if it's the most difficult, but I'm going to start a new component. Stick adapter. I'm gonna start a sketch right here. And let's look at what we got. So this one's got a lot of stuff going on. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a rectangle that is 0.5 by 0.375. Then I'm going to go to the middle point there. I'm going to draw a line kind of just going up randomly. And then over 0.3125. And then it's going to just come down and connect here. And the distance between here and here, let's get the distance tool, is going to be 0.375. Okay. And then I'm going to do another rectangle on the top. And this rectangle is going to be 0.5 by 0.3125. Okay. And then I'm going to use the mirror command, and I'm going to mirror all of these lines. And I don't have a mirror line, so that's an issue. So I have to make a mirror line. This is a sacrificial line right here. It's my mirror line. Let's see, can I just change this quick into a construction line? There you go, now it's a construction line, so I won't confuse it. So I have to take all of these lines, and my mirror line is right here. It's a construction line. I'm gonna click OK. And then the last dimension I gotta do here is between here and here. It should be 0.425. So it's gonna scoot them out just a little bit, but it's gonna do it proportionally because we mirrored it. Is that everything? Yeah, this looks good. So I'm gonna hit finish sketch. And hit finish sketch. I'm gonna extrude this all out a ½ inch. So each one of these boxes. Yeah, we've been going back so far, so we'll continue the trend, I guess. Going back a ½ inch, and now we start to do a bunch of stuff to this. So I'm gonna start by doing a fillet on the top edge. So here, 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 oops. Not like that, this way. Here to here, and here to here. So those four corners, that's gonna be a 0.25 fillet. So perfect round over there. Okay. Then I'm going to do a sketch on the side. I'm going to do a sketch on the side here. I'm going to do a circle. And that circle is going to be 0.201. I remember that number from somewhere. And then if you need the distance, it's centered. So that's 0.25 this way, and I'll get it from the bottom here. Oops, from here to here is 0.25. Okay. Okay, so that is that circle on the right side, notice. And we are going to extrude this through, but not all the way. Through the other side, just through this one. We don't want to go into this block, so we're not going to. So just go far enough that you're only going through this half right here, because we're going to do something with the other side. Okay, next we've got to do a whole bunch of filleting. So we're going to do these four sides, 1, 2, 3. There's the back edge at 0.125. So those four sides at 0.125, like so. And then the second of two fillets. This is a tricky one. there. 0.25, like that, looks good. And then the final fillet is all of this stuff underneath. So we're gonna grab, so you can see it better, this, and on the other side, this, and that is also 0.125. Done. Okay. So that's those fillets. Then I'm going to make a hole in the bottom. So to do that, I'm going to make a sketch on the bottom. And I'm actually just going to make a point on that. I'm going to use what's called a point. You can use points to drill holes. So I'm going to put this, I'm going to put it in here and then I'll dimension it, I guess. I'll drop it in, and from the top edge here, should be 0.25, and then from here to here, that looks okay. Is it? I don't know. I'm gonna go back into that sketch. I think I made an I think that may have been this sketch. I think this maybe is supposed to be. Does that look better? I gotta check to make sure. It should be centered. Yes. So I was off a little bit. We have resolved the issue. Alright, so now I'm going to go to the hole command. It automatically grabs that point. As you can see, it's massive, and I got a lot of stuff going on over here. So on hole, I want it to be a threaded hole. I want it to terminate flatly on the bottom. I want the hole to be 0.375 in depth, and the diameter is based on the type of hole, so I want to go here and change the size to 0.25, quarter. On B right hand, ANSI. I believe this is all correct. So I'm going to give it the OK. And then finally, we are going to make a sketch over here on this side. And this sketch is going to be a point again. Right there in that center right there. So I can hit finish sketch. And then after I hit finish sketch, here is the geometry for this. We go to hole, grab that point, and it is an odd one. It's a 0.19 and it's a 1032 to be right hand. Okay, that's what it is. So there you go. The stick adapter.